Everyone, welcome to another of my video, and today we'll be discussing everything MCP, it is Model Context Protocol, and connecting to your Claude Desktop. So this is a very simple beginner-friendly tutorial that shows you how to set up your MCP servers and connecting it to your Claude Desktop, which then connects to certain tools and providers. So in this video, you will learn what MCPs are and what they are not, setting up Claude Desktop, installing MCP servers either through desktop integrations or manual configurations. Also, we'll walk through different mini projects for certain tools, and I would also share certain Claude tips and settings you want to take note of. So this is going to be an exciting video. So let's get into it. Okay, so yeah, I'll be showing you how to download, install, and set up your Claude Desktop. But before that, let's just quickly go through Claude and what Anthropic says about it. So with Claude, your thinking partner, Claude connects to your world and finds what you can do individually or with your team. So why Claude? Connects to your world to bring together your document, tools, and web knowledge in a natural conversation, solves your toughest challenges, amplifies your creative potential, and on and on. So I think we have different models. So is either use the Claude Opus 4, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and then the Sonnet 4. Can you use Claude? So you can use it for learning, you can use it for coding, researching, analyzing, and creating as well. So you can turn ideas into reality. Say you want to download your Claude, you want to install a Claude desktop. You can either do that through Mac, if you're on a Mac, or through your Windows. So we will just select this, and that should start downloading any minute. But because I have already downloaded mine, I'm just going to show you mine in just a sec.
So yeah, once you open the Claude Desktop, you will land on this interface and you'll be able to see recent chart on the left while your current chart is in the center. And your system settings, you can always access that via the toolbar just by the left. You can also check through the different models that you have available. There is the Claude Sonnet 4. You can just click that. You would see the Claude Opus 4, Claude Sonnet 4 as well. But since we're on the free version here, I only have access to the Claude Sonnet 4. Yeah, let's try what is an MCP. Let's see what that is going to give us. So I'm just going to send that and we'll wait for that to run in a few seconds. Okay, so MCP can refer to several different things depending on the context, and here are the next most common meanings. So we have different things here: Microsoft Certified Professional, on and on. But the one that we are concerned about is the Model Context Protocol. It's a protocol specification for connecting AI language models with external data sources and tools, allowing them to access real-time information and perform actions beyond their training data. Side-eye to a particular AI tool that I used, and it gave me something totally random. So that's actually really good. So if we want to check out, different tools, we can see use style, web search, add connectors, but then again, pro version and manage connectors. You can also upload a file or add from GitHub, obviously by connecting your GitHub account. And you can check different charts, that is your past charts, by clicking this button. Moving on, let's check out the extensions that we have available on the Claude Desktop. We would find that in our settings. So all you need to do is to go to your settings and you'll be able to see different things like profile, appearance. But what we are looking for is the extensions page. So select browse extensions and you'll to see different extensions such as the desktop extensions and web extensions. So desktop extensions, we have the file system, we have Stripe, we have Metabase, we have Themes, Explorium, Microsoft Cloud MCP server, and on and on. Right here on the web as well, we have the Canva, we have Asana, we have Atlassian, we have Gmail, Google Drive, and on like that, even including the Google Calendar. But for Google Calendar, as you can see, you have to upgrade to Connect, as this is the free version.
If you want to add MCP servers through manual configurations, I would recommend that you go through the developer docs. So let's come back here. browse extensions. So the first thing is, let's pick one. Let's do this PDF filler first. So a powerful PDF form filling extension for Claude Desktop enables automated form collection, bulk processing, and data extraction. Okay, so let's install this. Install. Okay, it has installed. So let's configure the frame. This explanation. Okay, so these are like permissions. We can either change this to say allow unsupervised, but actually let's just leave this as always ask permission for now. Okay, label. So let's go back to charts.
So yes, let's test out the PDF filler. Let's build out a particular project. I've already added my employment contract document. So I am going to send it a prompt now. So let's fill in that prompt and send to Claude and let's see what it's going to bring. Okay. Claude would like to use this to allow access, obviously because of the permissions that we gave it before. So allow once. Okay, this looks good. These extensions you would want to note are delivered as txt files, which allow Claude access and interact with external tools. So let's check out the Figma Dev Mode. Like we have here, right? We need to have the Figma Desktop app running in order to use it. So I think you should take note of that. So this extension connects Claude to your design files directly. The Stripe's MCP server allows Claude to interact with your Stripe account via payments API calls. So you can ask Claude to create invoices, query customer data, or even initiate charges.
All right, thank you very much everyone for watching this video to the end. If you like this, please drop a like, subscribe, and if you are a developer, a designer, or just someone that is curious about like AI tools, you should definitely play around with MCPs. You should try, including these servers into your workflows and see just how magical and powerful your workflows will get eventually with these MCP servers. So this particular video will just focus on Claude Desktop and connecting it to its own MCP servers as well. For something else you want me to automate, do let me know in the comment section. What have you learned? What have you been trying out today? And if you enjoyed this video, please do let me know. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, thank you everyone.